Okay, so what happened today, October 16, no, versus the previous trading day, October 15. Okay, so no October 15, nag-register ng high and low. Tapos ngayong October 16 ay mali pala to. Nag-open tayo dito sa price na to, October 16, no. Then after 2 hours ng trading, yung opening range nung after 2 hours, minarkahan yun ng ating sessions indicator at nakita natin na nag-register siya ng high outside the box nung opening range. Tapos nag-pull back siya, nilagpasan niya yung range, binalikan yung upper end ng range, tapos dumire-diretso hanggang sa close to low nung yesterday, pero hindi niya tinake out, no. Nagkaroon ng pin bar, no, mabilis, malakas na rejection ng mga buyers, and then paunti-unti bumalik siya sa end ng opening range, tapos tinake out niya yung high na yon na niregister it after a few 15 minutes, no, sa ng opening range. Then bumaba uli siya at mapapansin natin na bumalik siya sa opening price ng October 16. Tapos from there, binrake niya na yung high, ano, previous high, with a bullish engulfing, bullish to pagka blue na matingkad, di ba? Bullish engulfing candle, and aiming dun sa previous high na to. Ayan. Then nag-retrace siya, no, at na-register yung London session. First 2 hours ng London session, nag-register siya na ito yung kanyang opening range, and then bumalik uli sa opening ng day, October 16. Tapos from there, nag-bounce, no, targeting the high end nung opening range ng London, pero hindi niya inabot, bumaba uli dun sa opening range, sa opening price, no, ng araw na to, October 16. And then from there, ayun, na hit na niya yung previous high na to, no, na hit niya. After ma-hit, nag-retrace uli, bumalik dun sa almost binalikan yung open price ng araw na to. But from there, dumire-diretso na binrake uli by a bullish candle yung previous high, aiming for the another previous high nung yesterday. Ito. So minamarkahan natin by a rectangle. From there, nag-retrace, yan, pull back, retest dun sa range na to, no, retest sa previous high na naging support, resistance later, before naging support. Then nag-bounce, bumalik uli dun sa previous high na to. Now, yung mga candles ay nire-reject na, no? Hindi na mag-move forward. Ewan natin kung anong gugustuhin ng market later on, ngayong end of the New York session. Hindi natin alam kung ma-hit ba niya ang previous high. I mean yung high nung October 15 session o day trading. Ayan. So we'll see. But pwede na rin ito na mag-retrace, bumalik sa loob, no. Bumalik up to this opening range, wala namang problema. Pwede rin siyang i-take out, mahaba-haba pa naman ang oras, but that's the story today so far. Trading day October 16, no. Bullish tayo kasi nag-open sa baba and we are closing sa taas. The closing price is somewhere above the opening price. Kaya bullish candle to sa daily candle. Ayan. Yung yesterday's candle is bearish kasi nag-open dito no October 15. Tapos umangat lang, then bumaba na, nag-register na ng low at nag-close below the opening price, kaya bearish candle. But today bullish candle tayo for USD JPY.